Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I am taking these three questions of angle and its measurements. Now let us start with the first one. One angle of a triangle has measures 2 pi radian by 9 and the measures of other two angles are in the ratio of 4 as to 3. Find their measures in degrees and radian. So let us write what is first given. First answer given. So we have one angle. Let us assume this first angle is equal to 2 pi radian by 9. So we have to convert this into degrees. So 2 pi radian, 2 pi by 9 radian, that is equal to 2 pi by 9 into 180 divided by pi. Pi ones and pi ones. So 9 ones, 9 twos and zeros. So we get 40 degrees. Our and second angle and third angle are in the ratio of 4 as to 3. So we consider here common factor k, common factor or common multiple, constant k, to which if we multiply this ratio we get the values of angle 2 and angle 3. So second angle is equal to 4k and third angle is equal to 3k respectively. Now we have three angles: first angle, second angle and third angle. So we know that in triangle sum of interior angles, measure of interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So let us write that first angle plus second angle plus third angle is equal to 180 degree. So substitute the values. Here we know we have 40 degrees first angle value, and then second and third angle value is 4k and 3k respectively. So we get 7k is equal to 140 degrees. So k is equal to 20 degrees. Now substitute the values respectively for two second angle and third angle. We get second angle is equal to 4 into 20 degrees, that is equal to 80 degrees. Third angle is equal to 3 into 20 degrees, that is equal to 60 degrees. Now we have first angle, that is 40 degree. Now respectively the angles in radian will be, first angle in radian will be pi into, which is given already, that is 2 pi by 9 radian. Second angle is equal to 80 into pi by 180 radian, that is equal to 4 pi by 9 radian. And our third angle, that will be equal to 60 into pi by 180 radian, that is equal to pi by 3 radian. So here is the solution for the given question. Now we'll turn to the next question. So our next question is, the measures of angle of a quadrilaterals are in the ratio of 3 as to 4 as to 5 as to 6. Find their measures in radian. So our given is a quadrilateral and its angles are in ratio of 3 as to 4 as to 5 as to 6. Let us consider first angle is equal to A, second angle is equal to B, third angle is equal to C, and fourth angle is equal to D. So as a constant ratio multiplied to this ratios, we get the value of respected angles. So angle A is equal to 3k. Here we take the constant as k. Angle B is equal to 4k. Angle C is equal to 5k. Angle D is equal to 6k. Now we know that sum of measures of angles of a quadrilateral is 360, means the interior angles sum is always 360 of an quadrilateral. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, that is equal to 360 degrees. So we have 3k plus 4k plus 5k plus 6k, that is equal to 360 degrees. So we have 18k is equal to 360 degrees. So k is equal to 20 degrees respectively. Now for respected each angle, angle A is equal to 3 times 20 degrees, angle B is equal to 4 into 20 degrees as it is 4k, angle C is equal to 5 into 20 degrees, angle D is equal to 6 into 20 degrees, that is equal to, angle A is equal to 60, angle B is equal to 80, angle C is equal to 100, angle D is equal to 120 degree respectively. Now for these angles we have to convert it into radian. So for angle A, that will be equal to 60 into pi by 180 in radian, that is equal to pi by 3 radian. Further, angle B is equal to 80 into pi by 180 radian, that is equal to 4 pi by 9 radian. And for next, that is angle C, that is equal to 100 into pi by 180 radian, that is equal to 5 pi by 9 radian. Similarly, angle D is equal to 120 into pi by 180 radian, that is equal to 2 pi by 3 radian. So we have got the final answers as that in degrees the respected angles are 60, 80, 100, 120 degrees, and in radian we have pi by 3, 4 pi by 9, 5 pi by 9, 2 pi by 3 radian respectively. Now we are going to see our next question, that is, one angle of a quadrilateral has measures 2 pi by 5 radian and the measures of other three angles are in the ratio of 2:3:4. Find their measures in radian and in degrees also. So let us see that. Given first quadrilateral angle B A, similarly for second let it be B, for third angle B C, for fourth let it be D. So we have given angle A, that is equal to 2 pi by 5 radian, and B s to C s to D, that is equal to 2 to 3 to 4. So we multiply with constant k, So we get the value of angle B, angle C and angle D. And we have to convert this angle A from radian to degrees. So substitute with the value. Angle A is equal to 2 pi by 5 into 180 by pi. So we get 72 degrees respectively. Now after multiplying by constant k, we get angle B is equal to 2k, angle C is equal to 3k, angle D is equal to 4k. As this is an quadrilateral, so we know that sum of interior angles that is equal to 360 degrees. So we have angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. We have the value of angle A, that is 72 degrees. Angle B's value is 2k plus angle C's value is 3k plus angle D's value is 4k is equal to 360 degrees. Now 360 minus 72, that is equal to 4k 288 degrees, and sum of this 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 9k, that is equal to 288 degrees. Now we have the value of k is equal to 32 degrees. Now we have to multiply this constant k to the each angle B, C, D which were in the ratio. So we have angle B is equal to 2k, that is equal to 2 into 32 degrees. Angle C is equal to 3k, that is equal to 3 into 32 degrees. Angle D, that is equal to 4k, that is equal to 4 into 32 degrees, that is equal to, so we have first angle B as 64 degrees, angle C as 96 degrees, angle D as 128 degrees. Now the respective angles in degrees are 72 degree, 64 degree, 96 degree and 128 degrees respectively. So in radian we have first angle A is already given 2 pi by 5 radian. For angle B, that is equal to 64 into pi by 180 radian, that is equal to 16 pi by 45 radian. Similarly, angle C is equal to 96 into pi by 180 radian, that is equal to 8 pi by 15 radian. Now angle D is equal to 128 into pi by 180 radian, that is equal to 32 pi by 5 radian, actually 32 pi by 45 radian. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study With Me. Thanks.